Welcome to DelphStack. In this video, you will learn how to use the chown command to recursively change ownership of a folder, its subfolders, and all files inside. This is perfect for Linux beginners and intermediate system administrators. Before we start, let's check the current ownership status of the target folder and its files. Now, to use chown recursively, use the -R option to set ownership for all folders and files inside a folder in one command. Let's verify if the ownership changed. Check the folder and file ownership now. It should reflect the new owner. That's it. Thanks for watching DelphStack. If this video was helpful, check out our other Linux tutorials. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.